trumpets blow. Our girl is gone, God bless her little soul. Lots of love and keep it coming, make something out of nothing. These are the best that I don't know how to say. Look at what I love today. These are the best that lots of love, just keep it coming, make something out of nothing. These are the best that I don't know what to say. Look at what I lost today, and these are the things that she's got sword in case, though this is not her lord in case. The one who can afford to face her image is restored to grace. Disappeared, no trace, musketeer suitcase. The downturned brave little burn cup, bare careless turnip snare rampages, pitch color pages. Down and out but not in Vegas. Disembarks and disengages, no law. Sweet pink canary cages, plummet pop dew skin fortitude for the sniffing black noses that snort and allude to the dangling trinkets that mimic the dirt cough, no trinkets. It's for you. Blue battered naval town slip kisses delivered by duck muzzles and bottlenose scripters. Arrive in time to catch the late show. It's a beehive barrel race, a she-hive stare and chase. Wasted feature who tried and failed to reach her. Embossed beneath the box in the closet that's lost. The kind you find when you mind your own business. Shiv sister to the quickness before it blisters into the new morning milk blanket. Your ilk is funny to the turnstile touch bunny, whose bouquet set across for blue without decay. Get your broom and sweep echoes of yesternight's fallen freckles away.
Anche qua.
Tears well up and words exchanged as we try to match each other blow by blow. The days go by but nothing's changed. We simply pass the surface of what lies below. On any given morning, yesterday's smile may just have been replaced from somewhere without warning. Rain clouds appear on sunny days. Break into my consciousness, break into my silence, but don't break me down, no. Break into my loneliness, do it with some tenderness. Don't break me down. It would hurt for me to